Welcome back, dear children. I hope you all are safe and healthy. Let's continue with the session 2, Understanding the North-South Movement of the Sun. Fix a spot near your home from where it is possible to view the sunrise. Choose a stationary object such as tree as a reference point. Observe the sunrise daily with respect to the reference point. Make a sketch of the rising sun in a notebook. Repeat this for the next 15 days. After repeating this, observe the change in the spot of the rising sun. If the sun moves in the direction of south, it is called the Dakshinayam. And if the sun moves in the direction of north, it is called the Uttarayanam. This is the reason why there is a change in length of shadow in activity 1. The movement of sun is used to predict the arrival of winter or summer if the calendars and the knowledge of months and seasons are absent. As studied in social studies, the rotation and revolution of Earth around the sun is responsible for the sun to be appeared as travelling. A clock based on the shadows of an object due to sunlight is called sundial. Activity 1, that is, observing the changes in the shadows, can be used to make a sundial. In this activity, the length of the shadow of our stick varies day by day because of the north-south movement of the sun. This causes a problem in making a sundial. The people of the olden days overcame this problem and made the sundial. In Andhra Pradesh, the only one sundial is situated in the premises of Satyanarayana Swami Temple in Annavaram, East Godavari district. Activity 3. Making your own sundial. Take a sheet of cardboard and cut a right angle triangle ABC from it. The angles of the triangle are considered as follows. Angle C of the triangle should be equal to the latitude of the location. Angle A of the triangle should be 90 degrees. The table with the latitudes of different regions is shown on the screen. Take a rectangular wooden board. Fix the cardboard triangle vertically in the middle of the wooden board. Take the base of the cardboard triangle as BC on the wooden board. Glue strips of paper along with both edges of BC to make the cardboard triangle stand straight. Place the board with triangle on the level ground in open area with sunlight throughout the day. The base BC of the triangle should be placed in north-south direction with B pointing in the north. Draw a line on the wooden board along the shadow of AC at 9 am in the morning. Repeat drawing lines for every 1 hour till sunset. Observation. We observe the lines of shadows drawn on the wooden board. It is possible to tell the time by looking at the lines of the shadows. Learning. From this activity, it is possible to tell the time by looking at the shadow of the sundial. This technique was used by our ancestors to know the time at a particular instance. Observing phases of the moon. Observe the moon in the sky when it appears first after new moon day. Observe the moon at the time of sunset or immediately after sunset. Draw the picture of the moon in your notebook. Continue to do this till you see a full moon day. After full moon day, continue to observe the moon till the new moon day. Comparing all the observations, we notice that the shape of moon changes night after night. These changes in the appearance of moon are called phases of the moon. The time taken by a sun to complete a cycle in the sky and return to its initial position is about 24 hours, that is, 1 day. The moon takes 50 minutes more than the sun to return to its initial position. This difference in time of cycle of moon and sun results in the phases of the moon.